matter how many times I do this, this never gets old. Look how easily I was able to install this sub and amp into this vehicle using the OWC harness adapter that you can see just goes down to here and connects to the factory harness of the vehicle. You get the signal inputs like you can see there. They connect to the input of the amplifier. It also provides you with the remote turn on wire. So the only thing that you as an installer or an owner have to worry about doing is supplying the main power and ground, whereas this is demo power and ground, right? Normally you'd have to provide that separately. And then you'd also have to provide the speaker, a little bit of speaker wiring to go from the output of the amp to the sub, and then you are up and rolling in no time. I mean, look how simple and professional that is. And I haven't even cleaned up the wiring, which still looks better than most installs out there, just saying. So guys, this is unbelievable. As many times as I've done this, it just never gets old. You can see the sub going there a little bit. It's not even a bass heavy track, but hopefully you can see it and hear it. So if you're looking to install subs into your car or a customer's car, something like that, doesn't get any better than this. A few clicks, connect to the stock, the vehicle harness where the stock sub was, and then plug in the new amp, connect the new sub, away you go. So just wanted to show you guys that really quick. Thanks for checking it out. You guys enjoy.